Hi, West Hollywood. This is Mayor John D'Amico. This is a video update to connect with all of you, to share information about the coronavirus emergency, and to provide details about what we're doing in the City of West Hollywood to respond and take action to support residents and businesses. Lots of us are adapting lately to more screen time and less face-to-face interactions. So just pretend I dropped by and we're having coffee. And listen, I'm sorry I'm late, but the traffic was terrible. I want to acknowledge that this is an unprecedented moment for our community, our region, our state, our nation, and in fact, the globe. It's scary, and it's real. There are many things we don't know yet about where this crisis will take us. What we do know is that the City of West Hollywood is prepared to face this challenge and do whatever it takes. We are passionate, resourceful, and engaged. Working together as a city government and as a community, we will emerge on the other side of this. In mid-March, the City of West Hollywood canceled all non-essential events and meetings through the end of June and declared a local emergency. This declaration allows our city government to access state and federal resources as we coordinate direction from health officials at the Los Angeles County Department of Public Health. As you're aware by now, Governor Newsom has directed California residents to stay at home, and Los Angeles County has issued a safer at home order. That means you stay at home. Nothing could be more important right now. Each of us must stay at home whenever possible. If you leave your home for essential needs such as grocery shopping, picking up medications, taking your pet for a walk, or essential work, please practice social distancing of at least 6 feet and wash your hands often. And consider new recommendations for wearing protective cloth covers, homemade or bandanas, on your face while in public too. It's important we save medical masks for healthcare professionals, but there are several online tutorials about how to make your own mask from a paper towel with a couple of Band-Aids and 2 staples. It's kind of fun, actually. I made one myself. Our focus in West Hollywood is doing our part to flatten the curve of coronavirus transmission. We will defeat this virus if we stay at home. And I have some experience staying at home. You may know that I tested positive for COVID-19 in March, and I stayed home. For 15 days, I stayed at my house. I did walk up and down my driveway to give myself some exercise. But if I can stay home, anyone can, and everyone must, to protect ourselves and our neighbors and our loved ones. I want to reassure you that West Hollywood City Hall is prepared to continue to serve the public through the coronavirus crisis. Right now, our city government is working around the clock to maintain services and expand resources for community members in need. Seniors and people with underlying medical conditions are particularly impacted by stay-at-home orders, and our social services team is working with JFS and Project Angel Food to make sure residents have the food and the support they need. And we've passed an eviction moratorium to keep renters in their housing if they are facing hardship. We've created a place on our city's website to explain programs and protections for renters with details about how to communicate with your landlord. The city has issued an emergency executive order to assist local businesses and workers too. And there's a helpful new city toolkit. We're also working hard to support West Hollywood's workers with information and resources. And we'll have further discussions at upcoming council meetings about how to help workers and businesses through this crisis and once it's over. All of this information is on our city website at weho.org/coronavirus. We're constantly providing updates. We want you to know about what's happening. If you can't find what you're looking for, call City Hall at 323-848-6400, and someone will get back to you with the information you want. You can even call me or text me on my mobile number, which is 310-498-5783. During the coming days and weeks ahead, I urge everyone in West Hollywood to lead with your heart. Support our local businesses and that provide takeout and delivery. Check on your older neighbors. Give them a call. Make sure they are cared for and have food and medications that they need. And with great love in your hearts, please make every effort to use lots of social distance. If you or someone you know develops COVID-19 symptoms, such as a fever or shortness of breath or pain, call. Do not immediately visit a healthcare provider to determine your next steps. Your doctor may recommend testing or self-quarantine. And like every community, we're concerned about expanding testing, and we're doing everything we can to get more test kits and more testing into our community. Let's all continue to remain calm. Take care of yourselves and each other. Wash your hands and stay safe. And together, we will make it through this. Thank you all very much.